we've made really good progress in the guest house, and fingers crossed we have our installer coming to put in the wood flooring of the guest house, which is about 500 square feet, so it should go pretty quick. Wow. Looking good. This is the Shaw Castlewood oak. SW485 is the item number. I've had it in multiple houses before. It is a bomb-proof, awesome product. Go get it. Well, today we have the carpet tile getting installed for the basement and the loft in the main house, and I think for the sleeping loft in the guest house, which is really small, so that shouldn't take long. You can hear them working up there right now above me. They are securing the subfloor. These guys go the extra mile, so they are screwing down the subfloor. Even though it has been glued and nailed, we go and screw the subfloor again just to make sure that it is really, really secure. But let's take a look at the carpet tile. So what they've currently done is they've spread the adhesive and they're going to let it flash. This is the Shaw 4151 carpet tile adhesive. It's a premium adhesive and it's a great product to work with. Also, we're installing a Shaw carpet tile that is a cushion back carpet tile, and it's got the Ecologics back from Shaw, and it's kind of a plank pattern, really good looking. Anyway, we're gonna get that installed here shortly as soon as that glue flashes. I'm excited about getting this done. All right, so they got the carpet tile going in. We got a lot more stuff going on today. So we got fire alarms going off because we're grinding in the house for the flooring. When I mean grinding, we're taking any of the high spots out of the subfloor. When you have it exposed to weather, sometimes you get a little peaking and swelling. It may not go back down. Or when we installed it, we could have had a little overage or lippage. So if you hear that noise in the background, that's the alarm going off. So good thing I use the Nest alarm system, because all I have to do is hold down a button and eventually it'll silence it. But for the time being, these guys are extending our patio. Okay, as you can see, they are grinding all the seams of the plywood, and they're also screwing the plywood down, as I talked about earlier. We're making progress. They're getting this prepped. Probably gonna knock this out next week. Maybe they start today, but the main focus is the carpet tile down in the basement and in the loft that you saw. So we are making a lot of progress in a lot of different areas. Always happy. Okay guys, well, the last piece of the HVAC puzzle is the spiral air duct. And the guys came to install it today, and guess what I didn't have done? I didn't have it painted black. And I feel bad about it because I might have messed up their schedule. So I got my whole thing set up here. I've already sprayed one pipe. I think we're doing Sherwin-Williams Black Magic, I believe. If not, I'll correct it on the video. But got a little Wagner sprayer, 20 years old. I borrowed from a buddy of mine, and it's laying it out like I'm really impressed with it, actually. So gonna knock this out and then hopefully have it ready for them to put up soon. Okay, I finished all the ductwork. I can't say it's great, but my inspector just got here, so I'm sure she may have something to say about it. Maybe not. So in the past, you saw us painting the exposed spiral duct that's going to be installed over here. This is the HVAC system. Because it's such a weird house, kooky house, there's no attic space, so we can't run venting ducts up there without doing a soffit, and I didn't want to do that. Jana came up with an idea of doing an exposed spiral duct. I said, hey, if we're going to do that, let's do it black. So that's what we've got here. The guys are here. They're about to jump on it. So it's going to probably be the crowning jewel. It'll add a little something extra to that big vaulted ceiling. So here we go. Okay guys, we finished it up yesterday afternoon. This is the next day. We've got the black spiral duct completely finished in the living room and in the master bedroom. I am thrilled with it. I think it looks great. I love the black color of it because it really makes it pop. It gives that accent that I wanted way up in that top corner, which we really needed something there. Most importantly, we kicked on the AC. It's blowing great. The air circulation is perfect. It's everything that we needed and wanted for this to all come together. I know I keep saying it over and over again, but I am excited. We are getting really, really close. So stay tuned. We got more coming.